welcome back to another video, and this is the part 1 of making a paint game on Scratch. So this is like what it is. So basically you can like draw anything you want to, and if you want to you can also click on these colors and you can change your colors, and you can also change your size by making it grow or making it decrease. And there's also eraser, and if you click this lightning bolt it's gonna erase everything. So yeah, and let's get started. Alright, let's hop into a new Scratch project. So the first part is just gonna be like making most of the sprites because we have to make a lot, and then the next part will probably be decoding. So first you're gonna do paint a sprite, and you're gonna do browse for a costume, and this is gonna be called, so you can just search up pencil, and you can pick the pencil B and delete that costume, and press Control A on your computer, and then you can kind of shrink it from here like that. And now you're going to browse for the magic wand. So this is gonna be like our eraser magic wand. Here it is, and just click that. So it's kind of like the same size as the pencil. And so yeah, that's it for the pencil. And now you're gonna go and browse a button sprite. So it'll be like there, button sprite 3, button 3. Delete the blue one, and if you click on this you can see this middle part shows up, and you're gonna change the color and make sure you select no gradient, and then you can change the color to red. And what you're gonna do now is name this red, and you're gonna duplicate this and just go ahead and change the color to orange. So something like that, and make sure you name it orange. Okay. And now duplicate this, name this to yellow, and you're gonna select it and kind of get like a yellowish color. So boom. And now copy that, and now what you're gonna do is get a green and just change this color to a greenish color. Boom. And now you're going to get a blue color. So there you go. And this is gonna be the last one, and I forgot to name them, but do not forget to name them because they are very important. So yeah, and because if you don't name them then it will be hard to like recognize them. So now you're gonna make this be purple, so something like this. Alright, so we got all of our colors, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the same button 3 sprite again, and go into its costumes and delete this, and go to your still go to your costumes, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna browse for the pencil sprite again, but it's gonna be a costume. And what you're gonna do is Control A, and you can come up here and click copy, and go to your button and click paste, and basically now just like resize it. Oops. And if you mess up, just click this undo button and it'll fix all of your mistakes. So oops. Alright, so let me just bring this here, and try to fit it onto the button sprite, and make sure that it's perfectly in the middle and everything fits when it's in the middle. So like you can do We'll make it a even bit small. Yeah, that's perfect right there. And so you got your, and you're gonna make this draw. All right, draw. And now what you're gonna do, and you can duplicate this, but you're gonna select and just delete this whole pencil. So until you're left with none of the pencil. So you can just see here that there's no more souls left here, and just duplicate and then delete this costume. And now you're gonna browse for the magic wand. So the magic, if you just type in magic, and then it should come up. And now you're gonna do the same thing. So Control A to select it, and just copy and paste it on here. And for this, you're gonna have to kind of tilt it to, so it's kind of like the pencil one. It's on like that. And oops, I just did that right. So resize it and place it like that. So we've got the buttons now. And make sure you also make this to erase. All right. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the button sprite again. So if you just go, it should be up here. Yeah, here it is. And go to its costumes and just duplicate this 3 times and name the first one grow, and the second one decrease, and the third one is gonna be erase all. So something like this, guys. And it doesn't matter where they are right now. We're gonna fix that later. So, and basically go to your grow, and you're gonna select the text and change the color. So it could be like black or white. I'm just gonna do black. So you can just write the plus sign here, and you can make it bigger. So like that, and place it on the in the middle. And now go to your decrease and select your text and make the minus sign. So it'll be something like this here. Alright, so now what you're gonna do is go to your button, which is erase all, and you're gonna search up a lightning. So lightning, and if you just search it up, it should be here. Lightning, and what you're gonna do, Control A, copy, and then paste like we did to all of the others, and you're gonna wanna resize it because it is way too big. And then you can bring it like this, and actually I'll make it a bit bigger. So yeah, there we are there, and we've got all of our sprites. And now let's go to the backdrop a bit, so it doesn't look that good really. So what you're gonna do is make the fill blank, and you're gonna select your outline as white. Just make a outline over here, and once you make it, go to your fill and select like a bluish type, like a sky blue. So you can select a sky blue, and you're gonna do this gradient here, and so it'll be something like this that you guys can do. So it'll be like it looks a bit better now. So just stretch it out a bit so it's not that small. And yeah, so there we have it. I'll actually change, I'm gonna swap these so it'll be like that. Alright, boom. And now we're just going to change all for our, oops, that's 5. Change the size for your sprites. So for all of the buttons, the size is going to be 50. And for your pencil, the size is already good. So just make sure you change the size to 50 for all of your buttons. Oopsies. Alright, so just do that for all of your sprites, and then you will be ready to arrange them at their position. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see that I'm almost done here, and boom, so we're done. And now we're just gonna arrange them. So what we're gonna do is put the red one right here, the orange one near the red one. So make sure all of the y coordinates are 100 for each of them. And then the x coordinates don't matter. Oops, negative 100. And then you can kind of just drag them like that. Boom. So first of all, you're just going to drag all of them. And then you're going to change their y to negative 100. And then do that with all of your other ones. And then you can do that. Alright, so that one is already 100. And then when you have all your colors, you're going to select all of these other buttons and put them kind of there. And their y coordinates should be negative 140. So for this one, boom, and negative 40 for that too. Let me just change this to negative 140, and also this. Alright, that's negative 140. Alright guys, so you have all of your arrangements, and yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to also watch the part 2, which will be coming up next. So make sure you also watch that so that you can complete the paint game. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Bye.